upper triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal elements or the leading diagonal are 0. That is, Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. So here I is greater than j. That is, this is the element A21 and this is A31 and this is A32. So here Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. So this is the example, that is matrix 2 3 1 0 5 2 0 0 4. So here the elements below the principal diagonal are